favorite whiteboard. I do love this brand. I do love the size of it, 16 to 12, which is amazing. It is double-sided. I do love that it has a very nice stand, and I can easily write anything I want on it and erase it in a couple of seconds. And it saves me so much time. I love that it is very portable. I always take it with me if I go travel, if I go vacation, if I go road trip. Perfect for school, office, for home. It is designed perfectly. I love that it is very portable. I love that it saves me a space. You can flip easily between two sides. And it is perfect for brainstorming, teaching your kids something without any interruptions. And it is a great present idea for your child, for different friends and family, for anybody. It is very easy to carry, compact. Design is perfect. I use it for my office, I use it for my house. It is very smooth. I love the surface. I love the color of it a lot. It is made from a very high quality materials. I can easily erase everything if I don't need it anymore, and it always looks like brand new. I love the effortless writing. It is very easy to use it, very versatile use, and you can hang it, you can just put it anywhere you want on the table, anywhere, or you can just hang it on the wall for different presentations, for planning, for teaching. And I do love that it comes with different magnets, with different colors of special pens. Ideal for lesson plans, for meeting, for home study, to-do lists, for creative projects. I love to use it for different projects, for different purposes, and you can see how beautiful it is, how easy it is to use it. I am so happy that I have it, and there are magnets so you can easily place it back, and I love that you can easily clean everything you write on. Look how effortless it is. I think it is must-have for anybody, just amazing, and the present is great. And if you hang it on the wall, it is not too large, but the size is perfect. I think it is must-have for the house.